And this is Lydia. And these are the stairs that Lydia's climbing on. And this is our gate. This is our gate to keep them from going downstairs. And come here. This is my room. Over here.
Here are the kids' bedrooms. We got one bed. Oh wow, he found a sheet.
This is my bed. And this is where all my hats go. My hat. And that's where all Jakey's hats go. And this is my dad's hat. That's the rest of Jakey's stuff.
Alright, let's show them the girls' room.
And this is my shirt.
Here's the bathroom.
This is my shirt.
There's
this is my shirt.
Okay, show them the girls' room.
Okay, this is the girls' room.
Pink.
This is Lydia's. This was mine when I was a little baby, and now it's Lydia's.
We got the crib. She threw in the changing table.
And all that's Lydia.
That's a nice pretty pink.
And look how cute this hat is. That's Lydia's. Watch this. Mom.
Bedroom, nice closet in there for the girls.
And come on.
Go to the master bedroom.
Come on.
I gotta close this gate. Master bedroom, there's the bedroom set we got. And then
we don't have the mattress yet, but
I mean, I can have a sitting area and a library area in this bedroom. It's so huge. Here is the bathroom.
Yes, and come here, you have your own private
shower.
And look, you have your own private toilet that I can sit on.
Thank you for the visual, Roy.
And this is back.
Closet.
And look, this is back.
Giant closet. They left the shoe rack. They just didn't want to be bothered with a lot of stuff, which was nice. It worked out well for both of us.
And look.
Now we'll go look outside.